Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the boot order on a RAZER Blade 15. To change it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to do, there is a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on RAZER Blade 15. Once that's done, go to the boot section right here. Then you can go to boot option priorities, and you can see that I only have one boot option, but if you have multiple ones like other drives, other partitions, other USB drives or whatever, then you should be able to change it with plus or minus on your keyboard, and it will move up or down, and the ones at the top are gonna be more prioritized than the ones at the bottom. So for example, if Windows is at the top and other system is at the bottom like Linux, then it will start to boot Windows, and if it doesn't boot Windows for some reason, then it will boot the Linux. And that's how you change it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.